What's in the box? A Ryobi 1800 running watts inverter, 12 ounces of oil, a disposable funnel, an 18-volt battery to run the starter, the electric starter for the generator, and an 18-volt charger that plugs into household current. Manuals, a spark plug wrench, and handle. On this panel is the starting equipment, either by a pull handle or an electric start. For the electric start to work, the battery must be installed. On the front side of the inverter, we have the readout panel, two 110-volt outlets, USB charging outputs, resets, a fuel-saving device, automatic idle. The unit is capable of being hooked up in parallel with a separate kit and a circuit breaker reset, as well as a grounding lug. Before we start, we have to fill the oil reservoir with the included oil. To do this, you have to remove the side panel. Remove the oil sealing plug at the bottom, which is also served as a oil dipstick. Place the funnel in the hole. Pour the entire amount of oil in the oil case. To check the oil level, simply place the oil dipstick. Do not screw it in. Pull it out, and the oil must be between the two low and high level markers. Close the panel. Insert the battery. Turn on the starting switch. The control panel lights up. And if you have connected your smartphone by way of Bluetooth, the same display will show up on your smartphone. Use only a approved containers to store your fuel, and before fueling the generator, release any built-up gases in the tank slowly and carefully. Carefully fill the tank. Do not overfill. To start the generator, turn the switch on. If you're doing an electric start, press the start button. To start the generator manually, turn the switch on, pull on the handle. Once the unit is turned on and you have paired your smartphone with the Ryobi generator, the Ryobi app will show the same information that is on the generator control panel. You are even able to turn off the generator using your telephone. At 20 feet from the generator, the noise level is about 65 to 67 dBs, a little louder than a normal conversation.